Hi everyone, this is a video about this unit, which is the 4-in-1 bicycle security lock alarm LED tail light anti-theft remote control. And this is the picture and this is the price, but you can get it up to £13, and if you order it from China it's going to be something like £7 to up to £10, but here the maximum price is £17.99. And the reason that I have this picture ready for you, we talk about this a little bit later, because this item arrived with many items missing. It's supposed to have 2 Allen keys and 2 screws to mount this, and I'm afraid I cannot mount this to show you. Maybe in my future videos I'm going to explain how this one is going to look like on my bicycle, but for the time being I just show you how it works. And the reason that is not in the box was in such a bad state that I decided just to get it out, and I show you like this. And it comes with the unit itself, that we are going to talk about this, with the remote and the bracket that you put your on handlebar, and then another bracket that is going to situate it under the seat, and the longest screw is for here and the shortest screw is for there, to just connect it firmly to the back of the unit to avoid anyone stealing it. And then the micro USB charging cable and 2 zip ties to attach this handlebar bracket for the remote. Not very good, but still, nothing else. We put that aside. So we are lacking 2 Allen keys and 2 screws. And here on this you can see that it comes with a unit, remote, and the bracket on the seat bracket, handlebar bracket, the micro USB and the zip tie, and the pad that is going to be soft pad that is going to go here to avoid damaging your handlebar, and then 2 Allen keys and 2 screws. These are missing here. Anyhow, that's all for the parts. So this is the micro USB, and this is supposed to be IPX I think 6. Let me just check it. No. Yeah, and somehow is just the alarm, which is necessary for sometimes when you are parking your bicycle, and some people they see that they like your bicycle and they want to move it. As soon as they move it, this unit comes on and is extremely loud. I have to tell you, for the purpose of the demonstration that we are going to do here. And then you have a remote control that is lock, unlock, and then the light, and this is the bell. You just press this and it sounds 3 times as a bell. So the item is fully charged. I put everything aside, and now It's a little bit scary as well. First, let's look at the light. When you press this button once, the light is coming on and it makes some noise, and the light is pretty bright, and then the second time is just going to a slow flash, and the third time is going to stay on, and the fourth time is going off. And then it has a bell. It's seriously loud. It's deafening, man. I'm a little bit scared to just demonstrate this to you because it's extremely loud. Let me just turn this light off and see. When you arm it, and there is an indicator light here as well, when you arm it, it just makes 3 noises, and then 1 now is armed. And if you touch this, it's going to, first time is going to just sound 3 times just to alert that do not touch me. And if within that 12 seconds you touch it again, the alarm goes off. So for those that they have very sensitive ear, you better cover them. But I am here in demand to pressing off. Yeah, as you see, it's 3 times, and if you just touch it back again, it's going to carry on for a longer time. Warning, loud noises. Let me just arm myself. And now, ready? Okay, it's extremely loud. And now I disarm it, and if you lose your remote control, with this one you can turn on the light and use it, but because it didn't come with any sort of instruction manual, I don't know what is this. You can arm it and disarm it with this, but I'm not absolutely sure. In this one you have a 12-volt battery, and if you run out of battery you have to open the whole box to change the battery. And this one, it says it has 800 milliamp battery, if you see there, which is not 800 milliamp, is 700 milliamp, but it's okay. At least it's a little lie. It doesn't hurt anybody, and it's really not bad. But after 12 seconds, if you just touch this, and because after 20 seconds constant alarming, it just goes off, and when it goes off you can move it around, but I cannot do it here because I'm inside my flat and it's going to make noises. I cannot alarm my neighbors. So after 20 seconds that this unit is sounding, it goes off, and then you can grab the bicycle and run with it because it's not coming on again. So that is not very good. So I just wanted to share with you this item, but unfortunately the seller didn't send me the whole package, and unfortunately again I cannot mount it for the time being, and somehow I'm disappointed. I've written to the seller, and let's see what is going to happen. So I hope you enjoy my video. Until my next video, Take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.